How to fix apps not working on Amazon Fire TV. Hey everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to troubleshoot and fix apps that are not working correctly on your Amazon Fire TV. Step 1. Restart your Fire TV device. You can do this by going to Settings, My Fire TV Restart. Alternatively, you can unplug your Fire TV from the power outlet, wait about a minute, and then plug it back in. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your Fire TV is connected to a stable and working Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, Network. Check if you are connected to your Wi-Fi and the signal strength. If there are issues, try restarting your router and modem. You might also need to forget your network and reconnect. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Sometimes, corrupted cache or data can cause apps to malfunction. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Select the app that is not working. Click Clear Cache. If the issue persists, also try clicking Clear Data. Note, clearing data might sign you out of the app. Step 4. Check for app updates. Outdated apps can sometimes have issues. Navigate to Apps on your Fire TV home screen. Go to App Store. Select My Apps or Updates. Check if there are any updates available for the problematic app and install them. Step 5. Check for Fire TV system updates. An outdated Fire OS can also cause app compatibility issues. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About. Check for System Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Step 6. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If clearing the cache and data doesn't work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Select the app, click Uninstall. Once uninstalled, go back to the App Store and search for the app to reinstall it. Step 7. Force stop the app. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Select the problematic app, click Force Stop. Then, try launching the app again. Step 8. Check Amazon server status. Occasionally, the issue might be with Amazon servers or the specific app servers. You can check online to see if there are any reported outages. Step 9. Factory reset your Fire TV. Last resort, if none of the above steps work, you can try a factory reset. Note, this will erase all your data and settings, and you'll need to set up your Fire TV again. Go to Settings, My Fire TV Reset to Factory Defaults. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix most apps not working issues on your Amazon Fire TV. Thanks for watching.